Simple solutions to life.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Yes, I want to talk to us briefly about this particular spirituality. Yes, I want us to learn how to take care of this particular problem. But meanwhile, how do I look? Levels. How do I look? Yes, now I have to wear these clothes. Do you know that I took a flight from Kano to Lagos to go and buy this lace and one other one, and I never wore them. But I had to wear it today. I wanted to shoot video before, and that was all. So guys, today I'm very happy. I am so happy. Forget my voice. I'm having sore throat. Okay, it will go. See, I want us to use bitter leaf. Okay, we are going to be needing bitter leaf in this our episode today. We are going to learn how to remove bad luck, bad luck from our body. Okay, bad luck from our body. We want to learn how to remove it today. Okay, so all you just be needing just 3 things, 3 items. That's all you'll be needing in this particular spirituality. Yes, number 1, you'll be needing bitter leaf. Okay, bitter leaf. Then you also be needing salt, and then you'll be needing honey. So now, how do you use this? The best way to use this to get results, okay, is you use the bitter leaf in its natural state. Yes, that is bitter leaf that has not been depleted. It has not been washed, it has not been reduced. Yes, bitter leaf is something that removes spiritual bad luck it removes it from our home, and it removes it from our lives. Yes, so guys, get your bitter leaf. Okay, you can order bitter leaf online. You can get bitter leaf. So how you prepare this is that you put this inside water, squeeze it, even as small as this. Okay, squeeze it inside the water. Then you add your salt to it. Add salt to the water. Then you also add some honey to it. When you add this honey to it, you stir it together. When you mix them together, you're going to remove the chaff of this bitter leaf. Okay, you remove it from inside because you don't need to use that. It will clog your bathroom, your waterways in your bathroom. So you remove the chaff. Then the water, you're going to add this water to your normal bathing water, and you will read a special psalm. It's not just ordinary bait like this and then just go. No, because you are trying to renew yourself, and you are trying to bring new things to come to pass in your life. Yes, you are going to read Isaiah chapter 60. Isaiah, the book of Isaiah chapter 60. Okay, yes, God is going to bring a new thing to pass in your life, and you will do it quickly. Is it breakthrough you are looking for? God will bring it to pass in your life quickly. Is it deliverance? Is it healing? Is it prosperity? Is it open doors? Whatever it is that you're looking for, God is going to bring them to pass in your life quickly, and everybody will see it, and they will know that He is God. Okay, so guys, when you put this together, what time of the day are you supposed to use this particular recipe to get good effect. See, when you want to renew yourself, you want to remove your old self and put on a new man, it is usually advisable you do this either at 12 midnight or you do it 12 midday. Yes, but in a circumstance where your job will not allow you to be around your house at these hours, then you can look for an even time. I'm not saying odd hour, even hour. When they say even, an even number is a number that can be divided by 2, isn't it? So, but odd number is a number that cannot be divided by 2. Yes. So, even number 6, 4, 2, 8, 10, 12. These are even numbers. And then odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, like that. So, by the time you put this together, you will use it you read Isaiah 60. Isaiah 60 from verse 1 to the end. Yes. When you read this Isaiah 60 verse 1 to the end, then you enter the bathroom, then have your bath. When you've bathed, then you ask God, say that thing that you want. Say all your prayers and you will see wonders. Yes, you will see wonders. This year is going to be a new year for you. Whether the devil likes it or not, whether all the villages, all the witches and wizards in your village likes it or not. Yes, that reminds me, we have the bracelet, this one is another pattern, and this one in my hand is another pattern. Okay, so you can place order for your own and it will be delivered to you. Okay, we have this one and we also have this design. Okay, we have this design and it is lovely. This is pure black stone. Okay, when you get the original one, you will know that this is the original one. If you see the fake one, you know it's the fake one. This is the real one. Okay, so this is lucky bracelet. You can place order for your own hand. We'll deliver it to you wherever you are on the face of this earth. Yes, the only place you have never delivered anything to yet is heaven and hell, because there's no address to that place. So if you know the address of Angel Gabriel, you give it to us, we deliver it there. See, these are highly fortified. Okay, they are highly fortified. So all you need to do is just wear it on your dominant hand. Okay, that hand that you use to write, you use to do so many things, and you're not supposed to bathe with it. Yes, and you're not supposed to sleep with it in your hand. You don't sleep with lucky bracelet on your hand. Yes, but you can wear it and it draws money, draws favor, open doors for you. So many things that you never imagined. Yes, money beyond your imagination, you will see, you will receive. If your business is small, you will see something must catapult you to that realm where you'll be seeing bigger money, because you have positioned yourself to receive abundance, and that is what you will receive. Okay, so guys, I don't want to stay longer than this. I wish I can stay longer than this, but I need to run along down, and I'll talk to you again in our next video. Please, if you want to place order for anything, use this number. Please use this number on my screen. This number on my screen is a WhatsApp number, WhatsApp only. So don't go to my comment section and be asking how do I place order. Use this number to place order. Just send your request there. When you send your request, we'll respond to you quick. Don't use my old number because I don't take orders there. But if you use this number, you will be responded to. You'll get quick response. Yes. So guys, see you again. Now let me do this way. For you, only you. Yes now. So congratulations, you made it this far, and you will make it higher and higher in Jesus' name. Congratulations. Bye.